I left my motorcycle seat springs on the seat plate. I got a video showing that. That helped me a lot, but it wasn't the cure-all. And then make sure you get these seat spacers from the company. It makes life so much easier. I've seen people stack washers up too. That's a lot of washers on all 4 posts. For the cost of these, it looks nicer, it's easier. You could probably do things like, cut some steel pipe or conduit, maybe some 3/8, black iron nipples. There's a lot of things you could do if you have the longer bolts. These come with the longer bolts and already cut spacers. It looks nice, they're plastic, so it's not gonna scratch up the paint stuff. I'm really impressed. I'll put a link down below for you, and it'll either just link directly to their website, or you can get them on Amazon. I don't know if the cost is different. I will put all the links for that Trac Seat suspension kit down below in the description.